everyone, welcome to the 36th episode of Campus This Week. I am Arjani from English Department Sonada, 3rd semester, anchoring for Campus This Week for Radio Salesian 90.8 FM. Radio Salesian marks 6th Foundation Day with press meet and new programs launch. Program Director RJ Samir reports from Press Guild, Darjeeling.
Radio Salesian 90.8 FM, inaugurated on 8th December 2016, marked its 6th anniversary with a press meet held at Darjeeling Press Guild. A new team of 6 enthusiastic radio journalists have come up with 10 brand new community-oriented programs to be launched from first week of January 2022. Each of the 6 RJs are hosting 2 new weekly shows replacing the earlier ones. In addition, each Saturday, a team of 4 RJs plan to visit a village and conduct programs for women and children. They will also form radio clubs and offer radio sets at subsidized price for participating women. Flagship student production continues to be Campus This Week, giving new summary of campus life from both Sonada and Siliguri campuses. Another program, Salesian Family News Podcast, into its 82nd episode, covers news from Salesian institution in 29 countries of Asia Pacific region every week. Radio Salesian, first college community radio in North Bengal and entire Northeast India, is the first Nepali language broadcasting station in India. It is operated from Salesian College Sonada in Ghorabari.
Physics Department's Friday student presentations get popular. Asta Tiwari of Physics Department first semester reports.
Every week, the Physics Department conducts an in-house student seminar with the sole purpose of enhancing communication skills that encourages dialogues and conversation, as well as acquirement of knowledge of basic sciences, especially that of physics and its applications. The 5th session of student seminar for this semester was held on 3rd December 2021. This was the first time this semester that the presentation was held offline. Mr. Nirupan Thapa from Physics 3rd semester spoke on time travel. Each presenter gets a maximum of 20 minutes to present her topic, followed by a question and answer session.
Entrepreneurship Development Cell holds public speaking seminar cum workshop. Simran Agrawal of BCom 3rd semester reports.
The Entrepreneurship Development Cell of Salesian College Siliguri campus organized Zenith, the public speaking seminar cum workshop on 4th of December 2021. The speaker for the day was Mrs. Gitanjali Rathod, a soft skills and communication trainer as well as a long-standing Toastmaster. In the hour-long presentation, Mrs. Rathod not only engaged the audience in her mentoring but also made a huge impact on the audience, stressing the importance of good communication. Ms. Rathod also fielded questions from the audience which kept some 150 students enthusiastic. The seminar concluded with the sponsor, My Cafe, organizing a lottery game. The winners were given a discount coupon and the day successfully ended with a group photograph.
You are listening to Campus This Week on Radio Salesian from Salesian College Sonada, Darjeeling. Sonada faculty and students joined Darjeeling Hill Marathon. Siddhi Singh of Mass Communication Department, 3rd semester, gives details.
3 faculty members and 8 students of Salesian College Sonada participated in the 8th edition of Darjeeling Hill Marathon, organized by the Darjeeling Police on 3rd December 2021. The 6 events included men's and women's category in 21 km half marathon, 10 km run, and 10 km run for police personnel only, with cash prizes amounting to Rs 1 lakh, Rs 50,000 and Rs 25,000 for 21 km half marathon and Rs 25,000, Rs 15,000 and Rs 10,000 for 10 km run. More than 100 people, along with the students of Salesian College Sonada, participated enthusiastically in the event. All the students, along with the faculty, successfully completed the marathon. Former Indian football captain Mr. Bhaichung Bhutia and former Indian hockey captain Bharat Chetri and Major DP Singh made special appearances at the event.
Brothers and students hold volleyball match. Shreyosi Saha of Mass Communication, 3rd semester, reports.
The Salesian College Sonada brothers held a volleyball match with Salesian College Sonada students. The match brought the entire college and seminary communities to the grounds to cheer their teams. The match consisted of total 3 rounds, and each round had 25 points. The brothers team won the first round, followed by the students team winning second round. The third round came to a lip-biting finish with brothers winning the match. Salesian College Sonada from its inception in 1938 was a fully residential college for Salesian brothers till the year 2000 when college was open for day scholars.
Those are the latest news from campus this week. Enjoy the rest of your day.